Be gentle with yourself. Be calm. Things take time. And whilst you might not see the result at first, if you allow yourself just to keep going past that point where you want to give up, you're going to see amazing results. Life can be absolutely wonderful and beautiful if you just allow yourself to focus upon the light and stick with it without getting disheartened too easily or too quickly. Opportunities arise all the time, and make sure that you say yes to them at the moment when they arise, because the same opportunity is not going to come to you tomorrow. Allow yourself to be yourself, because you are enough exactly as you are. You do not need to be greater or lesser in anything. By just allowing yourself to be you, you're going to be shining forth the light, and that is enough. You're going to attract the right people, you're going to meet the right people, you're going to attract the right circumstances, and you're going to do the right thing at the right time, because you are enough.